Beech Lane developed a 12-volt wired refrigerator fan so you can ditch the batteries and have constant fridge cooling. A sleek, compact design with multiple vents, it was engineered to give you the most air circulation possible in a small package. Simply follow our detailed instructions to install the fan, turn it on, and you've got high-powered airflow with no more batteries. It also features an on-off switch to give you total control. Opt for a quick install and you'll have constant 12-volt power, no batteries, high airflow, and more peace of mind while camping. Beech Lane is an American company located in North Carolina and features USA-based product support. The fan includes a lifetime manufacturer warranty. The Beech Lane 12-volt RV fridge fan. Feel the difference today.